The main metrics of the sales funnel. In this video, I will walk you through the two main metrics you should be looking at when driving paid traffic to your sales funnels. These metrics will help you make your funnels profitable. So be sure to watch this video to the end if you want your funnels to be profitable. Hi, my name is Rival Dmitry. I am from Ukraine and I love internet marketing. I advise you to watch my videos because my English is not good, so I will try to explain complex things to you in simple words, and it will be easier for you to understand it. So let's start. What are these metrics? The first metric is the cost per acquisition, or CPA. It shows how much money on average you need to spend on traffic to get one new customer. For example, if you buy advertising from Google in order to attract people to your funnel and sell your info products to them, then CPA is how much money on average you need to spend on advertising to sell at least one paid info product to a new customer. That is, if you spend $300 on advertising and 10 people bought something from you, your first info product inside the funnel, then your CPA is, we divide $300 by 10 clients and we get $30. So you need to invest $30 in traffic to get one new customer. The second metric is the average cut value, or ACV. This is how much money you make on average inside the funnel from each new customer you get. The fact is that inside the funnel you can sell not one product but several. Thus, due to additional sales, you significantly increase your profit. So, to determine ACV, you need to calculate how much money you made from all your new customers and divide that figure by the number of customers. So you will determine how much you earn on average from one new client. Let's return to our example. We spent $300 on advertising and got 2 new customers. Let's say they all bought our first info product for $20. And 3 more of them bought our upsell, another paid info product in our funnel, for $100. Total we earned inside the funnel 20 multiplied by 10 plus 3 multiplied by 100 and we get $500. Now we determine ACV by dividing our revenue by the number of customers. We divide $500 by 10 clients and get $50. That is, we earn $50 on average from one new client. Now that we have these two metrics, we can determine how our funnel is performing and if it is profitable. In our example, the CPA, how much money we spend to get one new customer, is $30. And our ACV, how much we earn on average from one new client, is $50. If we look at these two metrics together, we understand that our funnel is profitable. And our net profit from each new client is $50 minus $30 and we get $20. That is, if your CPA is less than your ACV, then your funnel is working well, it's profitable. And you can spend as much money on traffic as possible because your funnel will pay off these costs. It's like a slot machine. You deposit $30 and get back $50. You can continue to invest in advertising as long as your funnel works like this. But if your CPA is greater than your ACV, then your funnel is not profitable. You will spend more on advertising than you will earn. In this case, you need to either reduce the CPA so that it is less than the ACV. For example, improve the performance of your ads so that you pay less per click, or turn off those ads that are very expensive and do not generate sales. or increase the conversation of your funnel pages so that people subscribe better and buy the first product better. Or you need to increase the ACV for it to be more than CPA. That is to make you earn more money from one new customer inside the funnel. To do this, you must have upsells, additional paid offers inside the funnel, so that your customer can buy more than one product from you. And you need to increase the conversion of sales pages of these upsells, so that more customers want to buy them. Or maybe you need to replace your upsell with another one that will be more attractive to your customers. Conclusion: when you are just starting a new funnel, you need to first define the two main metrics I told you about. To do this, you should lay down some kind of test budget for advertising, attract traffic to your funnel for this money, and next determine the CPA, how much money you spend to get one new customer, and ACV, how much on average you earned from one customer. And compare these metrics. If the CPA is less than the ACV, then your funnel is profitable and you can safely invest more money in advertising. If the CPA is greater than the ACV, then you are in trouble, and you need to either set up your ads better or improve your funnel. I hope you now understand these two metrics and now you know how to make a profit funnel. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. That's all I have for you today. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my new videos. I wish you a good day and good mood. Bye bye.